This is a dorma. It's like 4500 or something like that. It's basically the 6-pin version of the dc4300. So to try to get into it, I'm going to use the law lock tools and 47,000ths in the top of the keyway, and then I'm going to use the number 5 from the reefer set to start. So 1, 2, so I'm at 3, 4, 5. So I'm at 6. So I'm at 3 again. So I'm at 5. So I'm at 1, 2, 3. That was 5. 1, 2, 3. Nothing. 4, 5, or 6. So I'm at 1. So nothing on 4. Nothing on 5. Nothing on 6. Something at 5. Maybe something at 6. Is that 3, 4? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Three, 4, 5, 6. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna drop some stuff, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's open. So you can see I just had to mess around with those tapered pins and those serrated pins a little bit, but that is the dorma.